Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. If this is your first time here, you are very much welcome to the fam. Please consider clicking that subscribe button so you can officially join the fam, okay? And also you can hit that notification bell down below. That way you'll be one of the first set of people to know when next I post a video. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best, okay? Like, thank you so much for always coming back here whenever I post a video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing how I achieved this, this beautiful hair look, okay? So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look, how I got my hair to look this way, just keep on watching. So this is just my own way of doing it, and I just thought it was something easy that you guys can try it as well. So for the purpose of this video, you can use whatever products you want to use. I am just going with the easiest product and in some cases cheapest, okay? So yeah, I pretty much just use things that I had at home already. So you can pretty much use whatever products you have or anything that you want to do. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible, so I wouldn't be using so many products, okay? Of course, I use shoelaces on my hair like every other person, and if you're like me, and you have the 4C or natural hair, you know how, maintaining your hair can be. So yeah, I did something to my hair that I don't even know, but I know that I packed it in a way, so I'm just gonna take that out. So guys, right now, I just used my hand to kind of finger detangle my hair, and yeah, I'm still gonna do that a little more, but I just wanted to show you guys all the things that I needed because I realized I didn't show you guys. So this is the first hair that I have. This one is like a straight or wavy kind of hair, and it's pretty long. Yeah, that's one of the options I have. The other option I have is this bohemian fro, so it's gonna give you the bohemian kind of look, and I really can't make up my mind, but we'll see how things go. Next I have my eco styling gel. This one is nice, I like it. I've used it a couple of times and it didn't cut my hair, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. Next, you want to have a brush. I have this one because it's pretty hard, and yeah, you want something like that. Also, I have this other comb because I needed to give to give myself that side part, because yeah, I think it's called a tail comb for that reason. This is the biggest comb I have, so I'm gonna definitely use this to comb out my hair. And then a brush. This brush, you might need it, yeah, so just have it. And then last but not the least, you need elastics, because you need to like tie up your hair, right? Oh, I forgot, you need a spray bottle. So I'm not the most patient person when it comes to my hair, so I just like to work with my hair when it's a bit damp or wet. Like, my hair cooperates better with me, or we cooperate better with each other when the hair is damp. So I just use my spray bottle to spray it a little bit, and then I will comb my hair out, because yeah, you want to be able to have a nice ponytail, so you need to comb your hair, yeah. So at this stage, I'm just gonna try to use the tail comb to divide my hair to get that side part. Sorry guys, if you catch me looking down, it's just because I have a mirror down here in front of me, so please pardon me. I just need to get the the part straight and nice, so I'll be looking at my mirror down. So I tried to finish my part off camera. I don't know if you guys can see, so this is what we're going to be working with for now. Hopefully it looks good. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead to try to comb my hair more, just so it's flatter and looks better. So at this stage, I'm just going to section my hair in parts. That way it's going to make things easier for me to pack up the hair, and when I eventually decide to apply the gel, I'm able to still get that sleek and flat look, because that's what we're going for, right? You guys, at this stage my hands were hurting so bad, because they were up in the air for like so long. But yeah, if you have the 4C hair like me, you can like relate with how the struggle is. So yeah, pretty much you just want to get that flat look. So yeah, you want to pack the hair in sections or part it in sections, that way you can do things better. And for my fellow ladies that don't want to apply gel like on all the parts of their hair, this is the trick that I usually use. So the next thing that I'm just gonna do is to comb out my back hair just a little bit more, just so like, you know, we get that sleek look that we're looking for. And then next I'm gonna apply the gel just a little bit to the back, because like I said before, I'm not trying to put gel on every single part of my hair, just like, you know, the surface to give you that look. So again, if you don't want to have, you know, gel all over your hair, you can just do it this method, you know, the way I did it. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is to brush my hair, because we want that very smooth and sleek look, right? And then after brushing my hair with this brush, I'm gonna use the other brush to brush it. I like to use this other brush because I feel like it goes in and gives me that, you know, smooth effect. Next, you want to add the gel. Please be as generous as possible. Like I already said, I don't plan to put gel on every single layer of my hair, so you have to be as generous as possible to actually get that smooth look. While you're applying the gel, try to use your hand, like your hands, to pat the hair down. That way you're sure that the hair stays down and looks, you know, as flat as possible. The next thing that you really want to do is to brush your hair. Please brush it as much as possible. Like I already said, we're not applying gel all over the hair, so you want it to look as flat and as sleek as you can make it. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna brush my hair until I feel satisfied, because we really do want that sleek look, right? The next thing that I will be doing is to use one of my hair elastics to tie up the back of my hair with the part that we just gelled. If you want your ponytail to be higher, then you can, you know, pack your hair higher. I am okay with my ponytail this way, so I'm just gonna tie my hair up that way, because yeah, that's what I want. You guys, I don't know what was wrong with me at this stage, but I was just feeling my hair, okay? Like I was feeling the look, but yeah, let's continue. So I'm combing my hair out one more time because we want that sleek look, right? You guys, the shrinkage is real, like it is so real. Anyways, I'm gonna be combing my hair back one more time because I want the hair, you know, I'm gonna be packing it back, so I'm combing it in the direction that I want it to be. You guys, can you see my part? Like, if you don't make your part straight enough, you're gonna end up like me. So please use like a big mirror if you have one, and use a proper comb. Okay, I don't know what happened to me, but that is what we are going to be working with. Okay, so while applying the gel to your hair, you want to be very generous with the gel. In my case, I did the side part, and I obviously have more hair on this side of my head than the other side, so I'm going to be applying way more gel. Again, after applying, you brush. You guys, my hand hurts so badly. Like if you see me taking any break, my hand hurts. That's just the problem. Okay, so once I'm done, again, I'm going to use my hand to pat it back, just because, you guys, that look, okay, we are going for that look. And then next, I'm gonna brush until I feel satisfied, and then finally I will take out the elastic at the back of my hair and pack everything together. That is what we're doing. Yo, my hands, like, oh my gosh, like they hurt because they've been in the air for so long. Anyways, when you pack your hair, you really want to pack it as tight as possible, because again, we didn't put gel on every single part of our hair, so you want to pack it as tight as possible to give you that look that we're going for. Okay, so this is the look we have so far. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is to try to braid my hair at the back into one. That way I can pack it smaller for the ponytail to fit. You want to be careful if you decide to comb your hair like at this stage, because it could mess up the hair that you already packed. So just be careful. Again, you want to pack it or braid it as small or as tight as you can. so I'm guessing I was already tired at this stage because my braid is not the smallest. Okay, like you guys can see that. Anyways, I used another hair elastic to try to tie it down so like it stays small, just so my ponytail can fit. And this is what it looks like. You guys, as I was looking at the hair, I noticed that there were some parts that didn't stay down, so I added more gel to it just because we really do want that look, right? The next thing that I did was to use a scarf to tie my hair down because we want the hair to sleep and stay as, you know, flat as possible. I have a satin scarf at home, so that's what I use to tie my hair. So you can use any scarf that you have, but a satin scarf is always better. Okay, so yeah, just tie your hair and wait a few minutes. Look like Sister Ada. Sister Ada in the building. Anyway, so I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes to allow this to stay, and then I will be back. So yeah, I was just you know, checking out both hairs that I had. I already showed you guys the two that I had at home, and I just couldn't make up my mind. I don't know why, but yeah, I was just trying both of them out, and yeah, I was jamming to songs, okay, because I cannot come and kill myself. So when you want to buy the ponytail that you're going to be using, you want to ask for the drawstring ponytail, okay, because that's what I got. The two I got are both drawstring ponytail hair extensions. They are ready to go and like ready to wear, so easy, okay. So if you can see, they both have this pin thing or this clip thing that you pretty much just clip to the back of your hair. You're gonna see it when I install it, so you will be able to do that for yourself. So yeah, you pretty much just clip that into your hair, and then you pull the string like that, string at the back, and then just to make it tight, and then you know, you can take it, wrap it around your hair, and yeah, you're good to go. So I was so excited to show you guys the final look that I didn't leave my scarf tied for so long. You guys, like, please don't be like me, okay? Like, please allow the hair to stay tied for a couple of minutes, maybe like 5 to 20 minutes if possible. You can tie the hair while you do other things, or while you do your makeup, or while you get ready, okay? Just don't be like me, please. So pretty much I just you know, clipped the two ends to my hair, and then I pulled the elastic to tie the hair tight, just to ensure that that part that is attached to my hair is tight and, you know, firm. And then I just hid the extra parts of the rope or the string under my hair, and then just doing a little bit of brushing so that I get that, you know, full look that I was looking for. And again, I am just gonna admire myself because I'm feeling myself, okay. Yo, like, see, I know I'm fine, okay, like, you cannot tell me otherwise. Anyways, this was the part where I discovered that my hair didn't stay down the way I wanted it to stay. Again, I was so excited to show you guys what the hair looked like that I took off my scarf so early, or I probably just didn't add enough gel. That's why I kept emphasizing, please be as generous as possible, okay? But you guys, they go do this fine girl. Just look at, okay? Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is what my final look looks like, okay? Like, I really do like this look. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling myself, okay? Thank you so much for watching. We have come to the end of the video. If you watched up until this point and you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button, okay, and turn on your notification bell so you know when next I post the video. You can also share this video with your friends, your family members. Just share it with anyone you feel like would be interested in doing this hairdo, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.